Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video, we are going to find the solutions of trigonometric ratios up to transformation. So this is important chapter for intermediate first year maths and this is exercise 6E. We are going to find the solutions. In this section 1, we are going to find the solutions. Okay, start with the first question here. Now here section 1 first question is given that here solution will come like this. So what he asking us to find, prove that the sine 50 minus sine 70 plus sine 10 is equal to 0. He asking us to prove here. Now what is this question? Sine 50 minus sine 70 and plus sine 10 is equal to, we have to find 0. We have to prove this one. Okay. Now here sine 50 minus sine 70 here I am taking. So I am taking these two terms, no? Sine 50 minus sine 70. Sine C minus sine D is equal to, what is the formula? So please practice here only. 2 cos c plus d by 2 and into sine c minus d by 2. So this is the formula where we have to use in this one. Okay, for these two things. So please practice this formula as much as possible whenever you listening this class only. So you will understand, you will you will remember every time this one. In the exams also you will get remember easily. So that's why practice here only 5 times. Sine c minus sine d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sine c minus d by 2. Now I will apply here. Okay. So here this is sin C like that only in the sin 50, sin 70 also sin D like that. Okay, so I will I will apply this one, so it will become 2 cos C plus D by 2 means 50 plus 70 divided by 2 will come into sin what is there, C minus D means 50 minus and 70 divided by 2 will come. Here plus sin, what is there, 10 is also there na, is equal to 0. We have to prove this only na. So nice. So here 2 cos this is how much here, 120 will come na. So 120 divided by 2 into sine, this is how much will come here. So this 50 minus 70 is equal to minus 20 na, divided by 2 na. So plus sine 10 will come na, here is equal to 0 na. So this 2 1 ja 260 ja will come. 2 into cos 60 is equal to how much, 1 by 2. Okay, cos 60 is equal to how much, 1 by 2 only na. So this I am using here into sine of, this is 2 1 ja 2 10 ja will come here, sine of minus 10 will be there and plus sine 10 will be there also here 0. So 2 1 ja 2 1 ja will get cancelled here, 1 into something only, sine of minus theta. See here, sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta will come here. Again cos of minus theta is equal to what will come, only cos theta will come. So please remind these two things here, and this formula also here very important. And it will become minus sine 10 will come here, sine 10 and plus sine 10 will come here. So is equal to 0 we have to prove. So these two will be get cancelled here, 0 is equal to 0. So means 0 is a 0. So what we have to prove, 0 only na. So that's we got here. Okay. Now moving to the next question, second one. Here my dear students, मेरे दोस्तों, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, दोस्तों, यहाँ पे है देखो, second question is given that prove that. So what he asking us to prove, sin 70 minus cos 40 divided by cos 50 minus sin 20, he asking us to prove with the is equal to 1 by root 3. He asking us to prove here. So proof will come like this. We are proving. Now solution will come like this. So sin of 70 minus cos 40 divided by, he given question, cos 50 minus sin 20 is given is equal to what we have to prove, 1 by root 3 we have to prove. Now I will take here, so sin of 70 minus cos 40, I will write it as cos of 90 minus 50. I am writing this one. Okay. After that divided by this cos 50 there na, cos of I am converting total equation into sines. Sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, like that I will use this one sin D. So this formula to use, I am converting the total equation into the like sines form. Okay, so this is how much, 50 means 90 minus 40 will come. Minus sin 20 is equal to 1 by root 3 will be there. So we have to prove that. Cos 90 minus theta. What is will become cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So sin of 70 minus, this is sin 50 will come here. Which one? This part. Okay. After that divided by this part, how much will come here? Sin 40 will come here. Sine 40 minus sine 20 will come here. What is that? Sine 20. So this will come here, and after that is equal to 1 by root 3 will be there. We have to prove this one only. Okay. What I'm do here next, sin c minus sin d formula I will use. So we already know that 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus c minus d by 2. I told you please by heart this one. I already told you please by heart this one, by heart this one. It will very useful to your board exam. Now it will become sine of 70 plus 50 divided by 2. This sine of c minus d by 2, no? So I will write, sorry, here I forgot this one. Again I will write here. What is this? Sine 70 minus sine 50, no? So 2 cos c plus d. C plus d means 70 plus 50 divided by 2 into sine of what is there? 70 minus 50 divided by 2 will come here. Again divided by 2 into cos of 40 plus 20 divided by 2 into sine of 40 minus 20 divided by 2 will come here. Okay, this is equal to 1 by root 3 we have to show. So above thing will come as 2 into cos of 2 will get cancelled. Actually we'll do in this one. So it will become 70 plus 50 is equal to 120. 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60. Cos 60 will come here into sine of 70 means this is 20. 20 divided by 10 means 10 will come here. And here students, here divided by 2 into this is cos of 40 plus 20 is equal to how much will come? 60. 60 by 2 is equal to how much will come here? 30. Cos of 30 will come here into this, in this area I'm doing now, here this area. So this will become what is this, like 40 minus 20 is equal to 20. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. Sine 10 will come here is equal to 1 by root 3 will be there. Here 2 will get cancelled. Again sin 10 sin will get cancelled. Cos 60 is divided by cos 30. Sorry, 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 will come here. So cos 60 is equal to how much the value? 1 by 2 divided by cos 30 is equal to uh, root 3 by 2 will come. So 2 1 will get cancelled here. 1 by root 3 there na. So here this is also will become 1 by root 3 will come. 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. This is we have to prove. Thus now second question proved here. 1 by root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now moving to the third question here. See students here, very my dear students here. I want to tell you some important formulas. Please write it down. Okay. So this will help you in while doing your problems. Start with the first question here. That is first like formula here. First one is uh, what do first start with means cos C plus cos D is equal to, I will start cos C plus cos D is equal to. So 2 cos, what is 2 cos C plus D by 2 will come into cos C minus D by 2 will come here. So please guys practice in your notebook. This is also in your textbook also. Please go through that and practice one formula at 5 times, 6 times, as much as you can. Whenever you remember, please leave that. Up to that, you have to practice these formulas. Second one, cos C minus cos D. What is this? Cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 cos, minus 2 sine. This is sine actually. Sine, what is this? C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2 will come here. Sine C minus D by 2 will come here. Again, in this only will come as 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine C minus D by 2 will come here. So this is two formulas you have to practice here. Okay. And one thing we can write here. Third one, sine of C plus D by 2. Sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 will come here. So this will actually here this is minus is there, na? Minus will go into this one. It will become C minus D by 2. Not D is D minus C by 2 will come here. D minus C by 2 will come. Now here we got this one also, third one, and fourth one, sine of C minus D by sine of C minus sine D here. Sine C minus sine D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into what will come? Sine of C minus D by 2. I already told you in the first question and second question. These three are, these four formulas are very, very important. Please practice at least 5 times. 5 times. Okay. Now we'll discuss some more formulas here and other thing formulas here. Cos of cos. We'll discuss like this. 2 cos A cos B is equal to, what is this? 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B, okay, plus cos of A minus B will come here. So if you want to take like this only, this side and this side, we can also take, but I'm taking like this. These questions will come in your like doing while doing problems here. That's why I'm taking this type of like left side this one and right side this one. And next one is 2 here cos is 1, 2 sin A sin B is equal to 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B will come here. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Now here again another thing, 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B will come here. And again other thing also there here, sin 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B come to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B we have to take here. So these are the four formulas also very, very important. And these four formulas are very, very important. Please practice these 8 formulas as much as you can. So okay na. So now we'll move to the third question here. Now third question is what is given here, cos 55 plus cos 65 plus cos 175 is equal to 0. He has to prove us. So prove here, proving here. So like what is given question is cos of 55 plus cos of 65 is given na, is it plus cos 175 is given here is equal to 0. Cos 175 is given. Now this is cos C plus cos D by 2. I will take this one. Cos C plus cos D by 2. Sorry, cos C plus cos D. I am taking that like that one. So I will do cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. I will take this one. Okay. So I told you formulas right only there. Which formulas? I am using this one. Cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. It will come this one. Okay. Now here cos of 2 cos C plus D by means 55 plus 65 divided by 2 plus into what will come here, cos of 55 minus 65 divided by 2 will come plus this one cos of 180 minus 5 degrees I will write here is equal to 0. We have to prove this is cos 175 only. Okay na. So 2 into cos of this is how much will come, 120 divided by 2 will come into cos of minus 10 divided by 2 will come here plus this is cos 180 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos theta means cos 5 degrees will come here is equal to 0. 2 1 ja 2 60 ja. So 2 into cos 60 is equal to how much? Cos 60 1 by 2 into this is 2 1 ja 2 5 ja. Cos minus 5 plus cos 5 will come here is equal to 0 here. So here dear students 1 by 2 2 will get cancelled here and here cos of minus 5 is equal to cos 5 only will come here plus this is cos 5 there na. So this cos 5 here come as like cos of 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta will come here. Okay na, this we have to take as a minus here this form. Okay, minus, so minus 5 cos of minus 5 will come here is equal to 0. So these two will get cancelled here, 0 is equal to 0. This is the answer of given question. Okay, sine of 180 minus theta is equal to how much? Sine theta will come here. And some important I'm telling here, please note it down. I will write here directly. Here tan of 180 minus theta is equal to how much will come? Minus tan theta will come. So please write it this one also. And secant of 180 minus theta is equal to how much will come here? Minus secant theta will come. And again cot theta. Cot of 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta will come. So these formulas, please practice. These identities are like what we can take like identities only. So this please identities practice more. Okay. Now I'll move to the next question, fourth one. Now fourth question, dear friends, here. So he asking us to again prove. Okay, prove. So proving here. Now solution will come like this. Here question is given 4 into cos 66 plus sin 84 is equal to root 3 plus root 15 we have to prove here. So this one we have to prove 15. Now what is the given question here? Left side LHS now directly we'll do here. Uh, so 4 into cos 66 plus sin 84. We make it 10 can take. Okay. Here cos 66 plus sin 84. No, cos 66 I will write like that only. Plus this one I will take it as sine of 90 minus 6 I can take. No, okay. We'll take like this. We'll see will come answer or not. Is equal to 15. So 4 into cos 66 will come here. Cos 66. Okay. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. Cos theta means equal to cos 6 will come here. And is equal to we'll take later. So 4 into this is cos C plus cos D we can take now. Okay. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 means 66 plus 6 divided by 2 into uh, what will come here cos 66 minus 6 divided by 2 will come here. Okay, is equal to will come there. We'll have to prove that only. So 2 into 4 here 8. Here cos 66 means cos 72 will come na. Cos 72 will come here by 2 into cos 60 and means cos 60 by 2 will come here is equal to root 3 plus root 15. We have to prove this one. And 2 1 ja 236 ja will come here. 2 1 ja 230 ja will come here. 8 into cos 36 will come here into cos 30 will come here is equal to root 3 plus root 5 root 15 we have to prove. So this cos 30 is equal to how much will come here? Root 3 by 2, no? Okay, root 3 by 2. And again what they are here? Uh, cos 36 is equal to what the value here? Cos 36 is equal to uh, root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 will come here in this place. Okay, I will submit this one in this one. 8 into, so cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 into cos 30 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So what will come? So this is 4 1 ja 4 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja will get cancelled here. Root 5 plus 1 into root 3 is equal to, we have to prove that only. So this only. So root 3 into root 5, root 15 plus root 3 1 ja root 3. So what we have got answer root 3 5 root 15 plus root 3. So this is answer what we have to prove. This one only. Okay na? So now moving to the fifth one here. Now fifth question, dear friends. Here prove that cos 20 cos 40 minus sin 5 minus minus sin 5 sin 25 is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 4 we have to prove here. I already given formulas no like this cos of 20 cos 40 minus sin 5 into sin 25. So here every degree are different here. Okay, every degree are different. So if equal hai to you can sin of a plus b or sin of a minus b like we can do. But here every degree is different no. So that's why we have to take another formula like root 3 plus 1 by 4 is we have to prove here. Now I will take LHS here. Not I will not doing directly now. So I will take LHS. So what is LHS? Cos 20 into cos 40 minus sin 5 into sin 25 is given here is equal to I will multiply with the 2 and divided with the 2 this equation total 2 cos 20 will come cos 40 will be there minus 2 into sin 5 will be there and sin 25 will be there. Okay na? So here 2 cos 20 cos 40 is equal to 2 cos A cos B. Here 2 sin A sin B. So what is the formulas we'll find here? Okay, where? So here. So 2 cos A cos B is equal to. Again 2 sin A sin B is equal to what we have to write? We have to take here that only. Okay, now I am taking these two things to do the solution here. So 2 cos A, here 2 cos A cos B is equal to what I am taking here? Cos of 20 plus 40. Okay, again plus cos of 40 minus 20. This formula we have to take here. This one here. Okay, now he is completed here. You see, this is 2 sin A cos sin A sin B. So 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B I am taking here again. So where I am taking here? This one, this area. So what will come here? Cos of 25 minus 5 plus again what will come? Cos of 25 plus 5 will come here. 25 plus 5. Okay, now 25 plus 5 will come here. So dear students, see here what I wrote right correctly only na. So here minus is there. I will take minus. I forgot to take this one minus in this area where this area. So that's I will erase it. I will do minus here. Okay. So this area is minus here. Actually, this is sine 5. This is A. 5 is A and this is B. Okay. So that's also we have to take like same that only. Otherwise, answer will go wrong here. Okay. I'm taking again these things. So what is this? 5 minus 5 minus only na? 5 minus 25. This is 5 plus 25. These things. Okay. Please don't mistake. Don't do mistakes or else total answer will be goes wrong. This is cos 60 will come plus this is cos 20 will come. Here minus there na minus into this one. So minus will come here minus cos 20 will come here. This one. And here this minus into this minus plus will come here. Cos 25 30 will come. Cos 30 will come here. Okay. So this cos 20 will get cancelled. Cos 60 is equal to how much here? 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Plus cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 here. So LCM is how much will come here? LCM is 2 will come here 1 plus root 3. But what we have to get here 4 na. So this is 1 by 2 we forgot here. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Here multiplying with the 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means is equal to 1 plus root 3 divided by 4 will be the answer here. Now moving to the sixth one here. Now dear students, it is a question like this: cos 48 into cos 12 is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 8 we have to prove here. Now solution here, cos 48 into cos 12 is given here is equal to 3 plus root 5 by 8 we have to do prove. Now I will take LHS side is equal to cos of 48 into cos 12 is equal to I will multiply with this 1 by 2 into 2. So 2 will get cancelled, so 1 will be remain means cos 48 into cos 12 will we have to take here. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos A cos B. What is the formula here? I told you already 2 cos A cos B. Here 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B we have to take here. Okay, in the sixth question. So it is 2 into, so not 2 will cos of A plus B. Okay, and plus sorry here yeah A plus B and A plus B రాసిస్తున్నాను నేను. See cos of A plus B into 48 plus 12 here and other thing like cos of uh, what will be cos of A minus B na? So what is A minus B means 48 minus 12. So this will come here 1 by 2 into this total. So this will come as cos 60 plus this is total as cos 36. Cos 36. I told you already cos 36 is equal to what will become root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 will come. I told you already this thing. And again here we'll take the values 1 by 2 into cos 60 is equal to how much? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, now cos 36 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 4 here. So this will come. So what is the LCM here? 4 will come LCM and 1 plus and 2. 2 plus root 5 plus 1. Okay, into 1 by 2. So total 1 by 8 will come into 3 plus root 5 divided by nothing. Divided by already we multiplied these two things now. So here 3 plus root 5 divided by 8 is the answer of this given question here we have to prove. Now this is end of this section 1, guys. So please do share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is the inter first year maths. Okay, maths A. So please, guys, do share with your friends. Please watch till the end the video. Then only you will get understand like your maths. Now I'm stopping here. I will go for the section 2 in the next class. Thank you. Thank you, guys.